It is too.
Oh, that is
Look at him.
oh, how cute. Oh, look at Lexi looking at it. She says, well, I got your attention, Lexi.
Yeah, it works every time.
Yeah. I'm so cute. I'm so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so cute.
The bone. And she's just far enough away where she can't quite reach it. So she keeps trying to do that.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. How darling.
But anyway, so their daughter is probably in her 40s.
Yeah.
And then she's got 2 children that live with her too, their grandchildren. One's in college, their granddaughter, and then their grandson is a senior in high school.
Oh.
What you doing?
No children.
No small children.
Oh.
Yeah. And there's probably a whole lot of children in our neighborhood.
No, same.
I mean, especially little kids. I've seen some, you know, that are maybe seniors in high school or something, but the people are so nice. On the other side, they moved down from Ohio. What was it, Ohio that they lived? No, was that Ohio? Do you remember?
Iowa.
Ohio?
Who?
The people next door to us, the Mr. and Mrs. Sal.
Yeah.
And the people behind us do. They live in Canada.
Oh, okay.
So this is like a second home for a lot of people that live there.
Oh my gosh.
And but this couple next to us are really nice. They had us over for like hors d'oeuvres and invited a few of the neighbors, and Steve's helped them out and has done some things for them, so they wanted to thank him. But anyway, they're just